Everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a green color paper and then fold it like this from the sides. Make the creases on it as shown in the video. Now press it from the top as well. Now press it from the front and the back to make the legs and hands of the frog. Now after that, turn the paper and then just fold it like this from the back side and the sides. Fix them into each other. Make the eyes and then turn the paper again and fold it. Make the eyes of the frog and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a beautiful aeroplane. So take a origami paper, fold it like this to make the creases on it. Now press it as shown in the video and make a triangle-like shape. Now press it from the sides as we are pressing and then fold it like this from the between. Now in the front, give it a cone look like this and then turn it like this from the sides. Press it carefully as shown in the video. Now make the tail on the back of the aeroplane like this and it's done. Next, take a origami paper, fold it like this. Press it and make a triangle. Now fold it from the top and then open it from the between and press it. Now after that, fix it from the sides like this and then follow the same step for the other side. Now you just have to fix them together like this by pressing it. Press it like this from the sides carefully and lock it as shown in the video. Now after that, fix it and your boat is almost ready. You just have to spread it little bit from the between and it's done. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and draw a circle over it. Now draw the lines with the help of a scale. Now cut it out in the same manner of a basket. Now draw the lines to decorate it. Now apply the double-sided tape over it. Now take the clay and then you just have to make the balls like this using the clay to make a flower. Now paste the leaves over it like this using the clay and make the lines over it. Decorate it and your flower basket is ready. Next, take a wooden cardboard sheet and cut it from the sides. Now you have to roll the thread like this. Keep rolling the threads. Now you have to take a stick and then with the help of it, just put the threads in the between. So as we make a mat, in the same manner we have to put the threads like this. Now after that, cut it from the back side. Now tie the threads from the bottom and your carpet-like shape is ready. Next, we'll be making this toy. So we have to take a paper, fold it like this from the between. Now press it like this from the sides and make a triangle-like shape. Now press it like this from the between and again follow the same step for the other side. Now after following the same step like this, we'll be spacing the paper a little bit from the between by spreading it and fix the straw near it or under it and it's done. Next, we'll be making a garbage collector. So take a paper and fold it like this from the between and make the creases on it. Now open the paper and just fold it from the sides like this. Press it little bit as shown in the video. Now press it from the sides as well. Now fix them into each other and make a triangle-like shape. Fold it from the sides. Now make a space on the top and fix it like this. And your garbage collector is ready. Next, take a yellow color paper, fold it and make a triangle. Now after that, cut it like this and make the frills. Make the V-like shape on the downside. Open it and then cut it from the between as well. Now after that, we'll be folding it like this and roll it. Now after that, take a orange color paper and make the frills by cutting it. Now fold it with the help of a stick and fix it in the between of the flower. Now using a straw, make it stems and leaves like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be making a caterpillar. So we'll be taking a straw and then cut it from the between like this. Now after that, we'll be making the lines on the back of it and just cut the frills like this carefully. Now cut it from the top as well as shown in the video and then spread it little bit like this to make its legs. Now fix a stick inside it and attach it. Make the black dots like this and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.